What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm Mark. Welcome in XRP Army. We're going to talk some really big Ripple XRP news as it relates to what's going on in the XRP world. Kind of get our minds off of this frenzy that we're seeing within the Bitcoin ETF. Kind of go in a different direction because there's a lot of stuff still occurring, and especially with some of the more crypto companies such as Ripple, these big players behind actual the cryptocurrencies. There are a lot of news headlines that we need to break down, but right now I'm going to tell you guys exactly what's going on. Make sure you guys are all sticking around to the end of the video. We're going to dive into the XRP chart as well. But guys, if you have not yet joined us, hit that subscribe button down below. Smash that like button as well. Check us out on X too. The handle is in the bottom left of your screen. Never miss a beat when we talk crypto. But let's get into it. And two other things we got to talk about is we have to absolutely put those X's down below in the comments box. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm. If you really want to get the news out, that's the best way to do it, as well as letting everybody know that you all hold XRP and are part of the XRP army. All right. So let's get into it. And without further ado, make sure you guys all are aware too, this is not financial advice. I'm just giving you guys the news as I get it. So always do your own homework with all things crypto and financial. Okay. But this is coming out from Garlinghouse himself that no IPO is coming soon. Okay. Ripple's planning on buying back $285 million of its shares. And this is something where you look at this substantial amount. This is something done to get us going as investors, right? There's a lot of FUD that gets spread around about Ripple dumping on its holders. And there's a lot of people within XRP Army that feel the opposite, that they're not dumping, they're reinvesting. Don't you know how this works? You know, that's how it basically is messaged and correspond to everybody that holds that holds XRP. But more so, there's a lot of miscommunication and misinformation out there. All right. But according to an anonymous source, Ripple is planning on buying back $285 million of its shares from employees and investors. Okay. They're only allowed to sell 6% in this category. This is called a tender offer, but Ripple's valuation is around $11.3 billion. All right. Now, Ripple confirmed this development, saying that they could spend up to $500 million. This is something where they would cover the taxes as well if the conversion restricts the stock units into shares. So that's very interesting. Now, this is something where it's obviously done, guys, to become more strategically in sound with the rest of the world, but they're really trying to reinstill the confidence within their investors, with their workers, and kind of in the XRP community alike. All right. Now, there really hasn't been that much FUD or misinformation or malpractice by XRP. They've been subject to what's going on with the ongoing matter with the SEC and the courts. Okay, so those court battles have kind of trumped any kind of, spurring of developments outside of maybe getting relisted in that SEC partial verdict. Okay, but that's where you look at these escrows and how the XRP holdings are locked in escrow. And you have to understand, guys, these are not part of the coin's circulating supply to this date. Okay, so when that happens, and then that screws up the tokenomics, and that's why everybody gets in a tizzy, saying that basically that will become a substantial weighing down, a suppressing of the XRP price. But more so, it's just a way to invest in XRP and invest in Ripple if you truly believe in the future. All right. Now, I can understand if you're only planning on swing trading XRP, you only want to get in for a couple days, move a position, then get out. Yes, then this would be very much alarming. But if you understand truly what XRP brings to the table and how they're trying to achieve cross-border payments on a global scale, this is something where you look at this as becoming more so indicative of how they want to handle XRP, handle Ripple, and that whole sentiment for the future, okay? Because it's much bigger than me and you just swing trading XRP in current times really to make a buck, okay? So that's what's going down, all right? And Garlinghouse also addressing that speculation, guys, about the planned buyback of Ripple's efforts to go public in the United States. And that is something where he emphasizes that the company does not plan on making a move in that regard anytime soon due to regulatory uncertainty. All right, but here, guys, we're going to take a quick dive into the trading view. This is where we're going to see the charts, and we currently are going on an uptrend right here. These are 15-minute candles, and we are seeing a little bit of that momentum coming up from what we have from the Bitcoin ETF, okay? Up above 60 cents in XRP at the time of this recording. And if you guys notice these blocks on this chart, guys, this is my algo. This is my algorithm that I use as an indicator for my crypto trading. It's been a very, very much a very, very successful and prominent tool in my crypto trading belt. When we talk about making trades, if you're into that kind of stuff, this is a very much, it's not a crystal ball, but it's very much in line with any other indicator in the market, and it definitely has absolute results when we talk about making some money if you want to do in some crypto trades. But if you're interested, the web link and the link is down below in the description. That will be XT Algo. There's a promo code NYFC, 20% off just for signing up. You also have a 30-day guarantee, money back if you don't like it. No questions asked. So kind of interesting when we look into this volatility that we're going to be getting into in the market. It is a very much part of my crypto trading on a day-to-day basis. You can set up alerts within the TradingView app, and I've had extreme success up until this point in time. So obviously not financial advice, and no one has a crystal ball, but if you're interested more in XT Algo, the link is down below in the description. Check it out, do your homework, and hopefully you guys can make some money using an indicator to help with your crypto trade. So that's what I got for you in this video. We're going to talk crypto more so, probably more than we have in the whole start of 2024, with a lot of video updates, content daily. Make sure you guys are all subscribed down below. But right now, 2024 is hot. The Bitcoin ETF, we have the Bitcoin halving coming up. And XRP really never disappoints on the news front. I'm sure we're going to get some breaking headlines along the way. So make sure you guys all have notifications turned on.